Good morning, students. In today's class, we will just continue the previous topic only. In previous class, we have seen atomic weight, gram atomic weight, even we have seen molecular weight also. Once I will recall that molecular weight. Before going to that one, what about atomic weight and gram atomic weight? What is the definition of atomic weight and gram atomic weight? Atomic weight is nothing but weight of one atom of any element is called atomic weight. Coming to gram atomic weight, how many atoms? Weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of any element is called gram atomic weight. Now coming to molecular weight. What is the definition of molecular weight, ma? Definition of this molecular weight is weight of one molecule of any substance is called molecular weight. Weight of one molecule of any substance is called molecular weight. In previous class, we have seen the example, that is H2. If you see this molecule of H2, this is one molecule of H2, ma? One molecule of H2 has two atoms of H, because if you take one molecule, H2 is the molecule which is formed from two atoms of hydrogen. Okay, they are involved in chemical bond. One molecule of H2 has two atoms of H. Then what is the one molecule of H2 weight? That is nothing but two atoms of H weight only. Okay, now I am writing this sentence. Weight of one molecule of H2 is equal to weight of two atoms of H. Two atoms of H weight is how much? That is equal to one molecule of H2 weight, because H2 contains how many atoms? Two atoms of H. Okay, so this is equal to, this weight of one molecule of H2 is nothing but molecular weight of H2. Weight of one molecule of H2 is nothing but molecular weight of H2. Okay, now see, weight of two atoms of H. What is the weight of one atom of H? Weight of one atom of H is equal to 1 AMU. That is nothing but atomic weight. We have seen atomic weight in last class, that weight of one atom of H is nothing but atomic weight. Atomic weight is equal to, atomic weight of H is equal to 1 AMU. Then how many atoms of H are present here? Two atoms of H. Then weight of two atoms of H equal to 2 AMU. Now what is the molecular weight of H2? 2 AMU. See, weight of one molecule of H2 is called molecular weight, which is equal to weight of two atoms of H. Weight of two atoms of H is equal to 2 AMU. So answer 2 AMU is the answer. Finally, weight of one molecule of H2 is equal to 2 AMU. Okay, this is one example. In the previous class also we have seen, just I revised. Okay, now we will go through one more example. Let us see. Shall I read this one? All of you note down. Let us consider O2, oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule formula O2. Now we want to find molecular weight of O2. Molecular weight of O2 is equal to, O2 contains how many atoms of oxygen? Two atoms of oxygen. So molecular weight of O2 is equal to weight of one molecule of O2 That is according to definition. Molecular weight of O2 is equal to weight of one molecule of O2, which is equal to, it is nothing but weight of 2 atoms of H. Sorry, 2 atoms of oxygen. Why we have taken 2 atoms? O2 contains 2 atoms of oxygen. So weight of one molecule of O2 is equal to weight of 2 atoms of oxygen. Then this is equal to, in atomic weight, oxygen atomic weight is 16 AMU. Once again, in atomic weight, oxygen atomic weight is 16 AMU. That means weight of one atom of oxygen is 16 AMU. Then here how many atoms of oxygen are there? 2 atoms. Then it is 2 into 16 AMU. 2 into 16 AMU, which is equal to 32 AMU. Okay, now one atom of oxygen contains 16 electrons, 16 protons, 16 neutrons. Okay, electrons mass is not considered. 16 protons mass 16 AMU. Sorry all of you, 8 One atom of oxygen, 8 electrons, 8 protons, 8 neutrons. Sorry, once again, not 16. 8 electrons, 8 protons and 8 neutrons. 8 electrons mass is not at all considered. Then 8 protons mass 8 AMU, 8 neutrons mass 8 AMU, total 16 AMU. That is one atom of oxygen weight. Like that, how many atoms of oxygen are there in O2 molecule? 2 atoms of oxygen. Then it will become 2 into 16 AMU, that is 32 AMU. Okay, your duty is the total gram atomic weights, first 20 elements, you have to by heart them. Okay, now this is about next example. Shall we go to one more example? Let us see nitrogen. N2 molecular weight. Okay, now molecular weight of N2 is equal to weight of one molecule of N2. One N2 molecule weight is how much? That is nothing but molecular weight of N2. That is according to definition, which is equal to weight of 2 atoms of nitrogen. Because N2 contains how many atoms? 2 atoms. So weight of 2 atoms of nitrogen I took. Okay, which is equal to, one nitrogen atom is 14 AMU. Because one nitrogen atom contains 7 electrons, 7 protons and 7 neutrons. 7 electrons mass will not be considered. 7 protons and 7 neutrons mass will be added. We will get 14 AMU. Okay, so one atom of nitrogen weight is 14 AMU. But here how many atoms are there? 2 atoms. Then it will become 2 into 14 AMU, which is equal to 28 AMU. Okay, finally one more example I will teach for you. After that we will go to next definition. Okay, this is the thing about molecular weight of N2. Okay, now we will see one more example under this molecular weight. Molecular weight of O3. Name of this compound is ozone. Name of this molecule, it is ozone. Ozone contains 3 oxygen atoms. You know, ozone layer is present in stratosphere. Okay, like that. It will stop that UV rays not to fall on Earth's surface, like that. We might have known. Formula of that ozone is O3. It contains, one molecule of ozone contains 3 oxygen atoms. Now, molecular weight of O3. Molecular weight of O3 is equal to weight of 1 molecule of O3. 1 molecule of O3 contains how many atoms of oxygen? 3 atoms of oxygen. So this is equal to weight of 3 atoms of oxygen. Molecular weight of O3 is equal to weight of 1 molecule of O3, which is equal to weight of 3 atoms of oxygen. Each atom of oxygen weight is how much, ma? Previously we have seen already 16 AMU. Like that, how many atoms are there here? 3 atoms. 3 into 16 AMU, which is equal to 3 into 16 AMU, which is equal to 48 AMU. Okay, ma? This is the molecular weight of ozone. Like this, anything we can find. Suppose any new example they give. Let us see one example, ma? One more example. Because till now we have seen only homoatomic molecules. We didn't see heteroatomic molecules. What about that heteroatomic molecules? We will see now. 1 or 2 examples we will see. After that, gram molecular weight we will go through. Okay, ma? Let's see. Are you clear with this one? Now I took example CO2. I want to find molecular weight of CO2. Then this is equal. This implies. Observe carefully, ma. Molecular weight of CO2 is equal to weight of one molecule of CO2. Molecular weight of CO2 is equal to weight of 1 molecule of CO2. Now my question is, 1 molecule of CO2 contains what are the atoms? CO2 contains what are the atoms? See, CO2. If there is no number ma here, this is nothing but one carbon atom. 2 oxygen atoms are there. Meaning of this one, weight of 1 molecule of CO2. 1 molecule of CO2 contains 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. 1 carbon and 2 oxygens are chemically combined to form 1 molecule of CO2. So 1 molecule of CO2 weight is equal to 1 atom of carbon plus 2 atoms of oxygen. Totally what is the weight present? That is called molecular weight of CO2. Okay, now I am writing that one. See, 1 molecule of CO2 weight is equal to weight of 1 carbon atom. Why did I write 1 carbon atom? This carbon dioxide contains 1 carbon atom. So weight of 1 carbon atom plus weight of 2 oxygen atoms. Weight of 1 carbon atom plus weight of 2 oxygen atoms. Why did I write like that? I think you understood, ma? Carbon dioxide contains 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. So I wrote weight of 1 carbon atom plus weight of 2 oxygen atoms. What is the weight of 1 carbon atom? If you want to check that one, we found already, it is 12 AMU. Carbon atomic weight is 12 AMU plus 2 oxygen atoms. 1 oxygen atom weight is 16 AMU, but we have 2 oxygen atoms na, 2 into 16, which is equal to 12 AMU plus 16 to 32 AMU, which is equal to 44 AMU, which is equal to 44 AMU. So final answer for 1 molecule of CO2 is 44 AMU. Molecular weight of CO2. Meaning of that one is weight of 1 molecule of CO2. Weight of 1 molecule of CO2 is equal to 44 AMU. Okay, this is the thing same like atomic weight. Atomic weight it is for 1 atom. Molecular weight it is for 1 molecule. 1 atom units AMU 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Here also 1 molecule weight in AMU 1.67 into 10 power minus 24. These are very small particles. Very small. Already I told what about the estimation of 10 power minus 24 grams. Is it okay, ma? I will take one more example. By that you will be clear, I think. Next, we will go to gram molecular weight. Now, let us see what is completed. Next, H2O we will see. Now we want to find molecular weight of H2O. Okay, now see, molecular weight of H2O is equal to, what is the meaning of molecular weight of H2O? Weight of one molecule of H2O. Molecular weight of H2O is equal to weight of one molecule of H2O. Now my question is, one molecule of H2O contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. This is equal to weight of two H atoms plus weight of one oxygen atom. Weight of, this is oxygen, weight of two H atoms plus weight of one oxygen atom. One H atom is 1 AMU. Like that, how many H atoms are there? 2 H atoms. Then it will be 2 AMU plus weight of one oxygen atom. What is the oxygen atom weight? 16 AMU. So many times it is getting repeated. Remember, 16 AMU. 16 plus 2, 18 AMU. So, what is the molecular weight of water? Molecular weight of water is equal to 18 AMU. This is about molecular weight definition and the examples. I hope you are clear about this one. Okay, if you are very much clear, after completion, at the time of ending of this class, I will give some questions related to this molecular weight and gram molecular weight also. Now we will shift to next topic, that is gram molecular weight. Okay, ma? Let us see. First, we started with atomic weight. Okay, depending on atom weight, we have gone through gram atomic weight. Once I will repeat, what is meant by atomic weight? Weight of one atom of any substance, any element is called atomic weight. Okay, what about gram atomic weight? Gram atomic weight is nothing but weight of 6.023 in 10 power 23 atoms of any element is called gram atomic weight. That is the difference. Because single atom, we cannot concentrate on that one. We cannot take that one single atom of sodium, single atom of magnesium, because they are very small. That's why some large amount of sodium or magnesium we can take. That is also giving very less mass. Suppose 23 grams, it is nothing for us. But 23 grams of sodium contains 6.023 in 10 power 23 atoms. That 6.023 in 10 power 23, it is very big number. That many atoms constituted to give small amount of substance. That is called gram atomic weight. That is the difference between atomic weight and gram atomic weight. Like this here also, molecular weight is meant for weight of one molecule. But now we are going to write fourth definition, that is gram molecular weight. What is the definition of this gram molecular weight? We will see. It is same like gram atomic weight. See, as we are not able to consider one atom, two atoms like that, we cannot take separately. Like this here also, one molecule, two molecules like that, it is not possible for us. But we can take some group of molecules and we can keep it on weighing machine. We can get grams. Okay, ma? That group is nothing but 6.023 into 10 power 23. So definition by same only. But there we are taking atoms, here we are taking molecules. Now the definition, make a note of this definition. Weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of any substance is called gram molecular weight. In a shorthand representation, we can represent it as GMW. Okay, before that, once again, definition of this one is weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of any substance. How many molecules we have to consider? 6.023 in 10 power 23. That number is called 1 mole Avogadro's number. Like that I said. Okay, ma. Same number we are going to consider here. But in gram atomic weight, we considered these many atoms. Now we are considering these many molecules. Okay, let us consider what about the examples, and we will see. Examples, so many we will practice. According to that, we will understand clearly. Okay, let us see that example. Okay, see to the example first. Gram molecular weight of H2. As we are starting with hydrogen first atom, first molecule, like that. Okay, molecule is nothing but it is formed from first atom, like that only I said. Let us start with that H2 only. Gram molecular weight of H2 I want to find now. Now, how I am explaining, see. Weight of one molecule of H2. In previous thing, that is molecular weight, we found that one. What is that, Seema? Weight of one molecule of H2 is equal to 2 AMU. Is it right? Just previously only we have seen. Okay. Weight of one molecule of H2 is equal to 2 AMU. What is the value of AMU? This is equal to 1.67. AMU is nothing but 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Okay, this is the weight of one molecule of H2. It is not at all possible to take one molecule of H2 separately, and we cannot keep it on weighing machine. That is not possible at all. But we can take, see, weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of H2. How many molecules I took? 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules I took. Once again, weight of 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules of H2. One molecule is how much? Let it be X. Suppose one apple 5 grams. One apple 5 grams. 2 apples 2 into 5. 3 apples 3 into 5. Are we doing like that or not? Don't bother about the numbers, please, because these numbers are, it is visible like 1.67 into 10 power minus 24. Generally, you will be getting confused with this 10 power minus 24, 10 power 23, like that only. But do one thing. One apple, 5 grams. 2 apples, 10 grams. How did we get 10 grams? 2 into 5. 10 apples, 10 into 5. 50 grams, correct? Like that here also. One molecule mass is how much? 2 into 1.67 10 power minus 24. Let it be X. Okay, then these many molecules how much? This number into this one. 6.023 in 10 power 23 into 2 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Why these many times I am repeating? Because these are all generally 10 power minus 24, 10 power 23, like that numbers. Okay, don't get confusion. This is one molecule mass. Here if you take 2 molecules, what we will do? 2 into this one. Here if you take 3 molecules, 3 into this one. Like that, 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules we took. 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules mass is equal to 6.023 in 10 power 23 into 2 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. I think you understood, ma? Okay, let us see. Weight of 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules of H2 is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 2 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So many times it was repeated this value. 6.023 in 10 power 23 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24. These two, when we multiply, you will get 1. This is equal to 2 into 1. This total value into this value is 1. So we wrote 2 into 1 grams, which is equal to 2 grams. Now I make the sentence. Observe carefully. What is the gram molecular mass of H2? What is the gram molecular weight of H2? What is the meaning of that one? Definition. Weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Okay, now I took one container, one big container contains 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules of H2. Now I kept that container on weighing machine. Okay, how many molecules it contains? Not one molecule. One molecule we cannot take and we cannot keep it on weighing machine. These many molecules collection we can keep on weighing machine. Then it shows how much? 2 grams. Very less mass. Okay, that many molecules H2 also will give only 2 grams. Then we can understand one molecule is how much less. That is the thing we have to understand. Okay, ma? Gram molecular weight of H2 is equal to 2 grams. Meaning of that one, 2 grams of hydrogen contains 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules of H2. That is the thing. If you are very clear, I will go to next example. Okay, ma? Now, this is about H2. Make a note, all of you. You have to concentrate well. Okay, don't get confusion because this is fourth definition. Ma? First one, atomic weight. Second one, gram atomic weight. Third one, molecular weight. Fourth one, gram molecular weight. If you are very clear about atomic weight and gram atomic weight, these are easy only because these are all depending on atomic weight and gram atomic weight only. Is it clear, ma? Once again, the definition of this gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight is nothing but weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of any substance. Okay, now I will go to the next example. Let us see. H2 is completed. Now we will go to N2 ma. Now I want to find gram molecular weight of N2. What is meant by gram molecular weight of N2? Gram molecular weight of N2 is equal to weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of N2. Weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of N2. Now, weight of one molecule of N2. Weight of one molecule of N2 is equal to 28 mu. Previously only we have seen examples O2, N2, these examples we have seen. See, weight of one molecule of N2 is equal to 28 mu. What is the meaning of this 28 mu? 28 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. 28 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Now, what is the meaning of this gram molecular weight? Gram molecular weight is nothing but weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Okay, weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of N2 is equal to weight of 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules of N2 is equal to, then this number into this total thing. This is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 28 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Okay, this 6.023 in 10 power 23 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24, we will get 1. Then 28 into 1, 28 grams. 28 into 1, 28 grams. So, if I am able to take 28 grams of nitrogen in a container, okay, I took that container and I kept on weighing machine. That weighing machine reading, it is showing 28 grams. Then we have to understand that in that container, how many molecules of N2 are there? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Okay, one molecule 28 AMU, 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules, 28 grams. Is it clear, ma? I hope you understood, everyone. Okay, one more example we will see. These are homoatomic molecules we have seen. Same way, polyatomic molecules, heteroatomic molecules also we will see, ma. Okay, let us see. Third example, CO2. Now I want to find gram molecular weight of CO2. Okay. Weight of one CO2 molecule. Weight of one CO2 molecule. One CO2 molecule weight, previously we have seen 44 AMU is equal to, what is meant by AMU? AMU is nothing but 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So I am writing here 44 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. 44 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. This is the mass of one CO2 molecule. But what is our definition of gram molecular weight? Weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. So weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 CO2 molecules equal to, then this number into this one. Every time we are maintaining same thing, ma. We will write one molecule weight here. These many molecules weight is into this one. Okay, this is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 44 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Okay, this value into this value is equal to 1. Then this is equal to 44 into 1 gram is equal to 44 grams. What is the gram molecular weight of CO2? Gram molecular weight of CO2 is equal to 44 grams. Meaning of this one, 44 grams of CO2, we have taken one container. That container is filled with carbon dioxide gas. I kept that carbon dioxide gas container on a weighing machine. Then it has shown 44 grams. What is the meaning of that one? That 44 grams of carbon dioxide container contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 carbon dioxide molecules. Okay, so 44 grams our considerable mass. To be getting 44 grams of carbon dioxide, how many molecules are required? 6.023 in 10 power 23 carbon dioxide molecules are required. Okay, ma? That is about this example. Next, finally, one more thing we will see, that is for H2O. After that, in a easy way, every time these many steps no need. If they ask gram molecular weight of particular molecule, in a easy way, how can we write that one? I will take so many examples and I will show that one. By this, we will complete fourth definition also today. Okay, ma? Let us see. What about H2O? Next one. Note down this one. Fourth one. Example. H2O. Now we want to find gram molecular weight of H2O. Okay, now before that, one molecule of H2O we will write weight of of one molecule of H2O is equal to 18 AMU. Weight of one molecule of H2O is equal to 18 AMU. What is meant by AMU? 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So this is equal to 18 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. This is one molecule of H2O. But we have to find gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight is nothing but weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. So next point, weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of H2O. How many molecules? Weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of H2O is equal to this number into this total thing. Then 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 18 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. This total value into this value is equal to 1. So this is equal to 18 into 1, 18 grams. Even in our home, if we have water, okay, take some amount of water in a glass and keep it on weighing machine. If you are able to see 18 grams, meaning of that one, that 18 grams of water contains how many molecules? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. We can tell this water contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of water. Like that we can estimate. Actually, this is very important step which was explained by Avogadro. Otherwise, we cannot calculate number of molecules, and further calculations are very difficult for us if you don't know these definitions. Okay, ma? These definitions play very important role in next coming calculations. I hope you understood. These are the examples under gram molecular weight. So 4 definitions we have seen clearly. Those are atomic weight, gram atomic weight, molecular weight, gram molecular weight. Atomic weight definition: weight of one atom of any element is called atomic weight. Gram atomic weight: weight of 6.023 in 10 power 23 atoms is called gram atomic weight. Next, molecular weight: weight of one molecule of any substance is called molecular weight. Gram molecular weight: weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of any substance is called gram molecular weight. If you want one more example, I will show that one. There is 5th example we will see. Okay. Now let us see. NH3, or if you want, actually NH3 means 2 elements are there, nitrogen and hydrogen. Let us consider 3 elements compound H2SO4. 3 elements compound H2SO4. What are the elements present in H2SO4? Elements are hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Elements are hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur, 4 atoms of oxygen are combined to form H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Okay, to find this gram molecular weight of H2SO4, first we have to find one molecule weight, that is called molecular weight. Okay, let us see first one molecule weight of one molecule of H2SO4. One molecule of H2SO4 weight. What is the meaning of that one? It contains 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur atom, and 4 oxygen atoms is equal to weight of 2 H atoms plus 1 S atom plus 4 oxygen atoms. Weight of one molecule of H2SO4 is equal to weight of 2 H atoms, 1 sulfur atom, and 4 oxygen atoms. See, 1 H atom weight is 1 AMU, but here how many are there? 2 H atoms, 2 AMU. 2 AMU plus 1 sulfur atom. 1 sulfur atom weight is 32 AMU. 1 sulfur atom weight is 32 AMU. Because sulfur contains 16 electrons, 16 protons and 16 neutrons. Electrons mass is neglected. Then remaining 16 protons and 16 neutrons. Total 32 AMU. That one I wrote. One sulfur atom only I wrote 32 AMU. This is one 2H atoms 2 AMU plus 4 oxygen atoms. Each oxygen atom is 16 AMU. Is it right? Each oxygen atom is 16 AMU. Now 4 oxygen atoms 4 into 16 AMU. This is equal to 2 AMU plus 32 AMU plus 4 16ths, 64 AMU, which is equal to 64 plus 32, 96. 96 plus 2, 98. 98 AMU is the weight of one molecule of H2SO4. That is not our gram molecular weight. This is molecular weight only. In this way we found molecular weight. Okay. Now we have to find gram molecular weight. I will write. Okay, first note down. I am going to rub this one and I am directly writing weight of one molecule of H2SO4. In what way we got 98 AMU? Already everything I explained now. Now here I am writing directly weight of one molecule of H2SO4 is equal to how much? 98 AMU. So this is equal to 98 AMU. Then what is the gram molecular weight definition? Weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Then weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of H2SO4. How many molecules? 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules of H2SO4 is equal to, see, this into this one. What is meant by 98 AMU? 98 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Instead of AMU, I wrote 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Okay, so it will become 98 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Then this is equal to this total value into this one. Here I am writing 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 98 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Anyways, these two values multiplication, we will get 1 only. This is equal to 98 into 1 gram is equal to 98 grams. What is the answer? 98 grams. So, what is the gram molecular weight of H2SO4? Gram molecular weight of H2SO4 is equal to 98 grams. Meaning of that one, if you take, it is a liquid, H2SO4, it is a liquid. If you are able to take that liquid H2SO4 in a container and keep it on weighing machine, if the container shows 98 grams, that weighing machine, that is nothing but 98 grams of H2SO4 contains how many molecules of H2SO4? 6.023 into 10 power 23. These many molecules of H2SO4 will give 98 grams mass. That is about this gram molecular weight. So, according to this given molecule, we can write easily. Actually, this much explanation for your understanding we gave. Okay. Now, if the question asked, what about the gram molecular weight of any new substance? Directly we can find. But we have to understand the main concept. What is the definition and what are the examples, everything if you see. Remaining calculations, it is very easy for you. For understanding purpose, this much explanation was given. Now we will take some molecules. Okay. For that molecule, I want to find gram molecular weight. In what way we are going to find the gram molecular weight, I will say. Okay, let us see. This much explanation, everything we can write in this way, but this is not required that much. Directly also we can write. That is now I am going to show. Okay, see all of you. One question was asked. What is the gram molecular weight of SO2? SO2 name is sulfur dioxide. Now we want to find gram molecular weight of SO2. Okay. Every time this steps, weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of SO2, like that, no need. Now simply we will do one thing, that is, this SO2 contains sulfur and O2. Is it correct now? Now, under sulfur, if no number is there, that is nothing but 1. Okay, do one thing. Keep arrow like this. This 1 is representing 1 here. 1 into, what is the gram atomic weight of sulfur? Gram atomic weight of sulfur. Because we are finding gram molecular weight now, we have to take gram atomic weight only. Okay, gram atomic weight of sulfur is 32 grams. Sulfur gram atomic weight 32 grams. I give the table column. First 20 elements. Sulfur is 16th one. Once check that one, that is 32 grams. It is contained by how many? 1. So 1 into 32 grams. Okay, next. Oxygen. How many are there? 2. 2 into. What is the gram atomic weight of oxygen? In the table column, oxygen if you see 16 grams. Check that one. If you want, while you are, if I give any examples for homework also, you can open that table column and you can write down. But initially we can take the help of the table column, but after completion of some days like that, you have to be habituated on your own. Now how I am writing like that, you have to be in a position to write. Okay, now oxygen how many are there? 2. So I wrote 2. 2 into gram atomic weight of oxygen is 16 grams. So I am writing here 16 grams. Okay ma. Then this is equal to 1 into 32 how much ma? 32 grams. 2 into 16 32 grams. Now add that one. Total 64 grams over gram molecular weight of SO2 64 grams. Meaning of this one, 64 grams of SO2 if you take in a container, it is contained by 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules of SO2. 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of SO2. That is the meaning. In this way, any molecule easily we can find the gram molecular weight. 64 grams answer. Is it okay ma? Shall I go to one more thing? Like this, some examples we will do. Okay na? By that you will be habituated to do how we will continue with gram molecular weight in an easy way. No need to write every time weight of 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules of SO2. That is basic definition we have seen. Okay ma? Let us see next example. Next example, CaCO3. Calcium carbonate. This calcium carbonate contains 3 elements. First, our thing is we have to recognize what are the elements present. 3 elements are there. Calcium, carbon, oxygen. Okay, calcium, carbon, oxygen. If there is no number for calcium, that is nothing but 1. So I am writing 1 into calcium gram atomic weight. In the table column, check that one, it will be 20 grams. So 1 into 20 grams is equal to 20. Next, carbon. Carbon, how many particles? What is the number? 1 number, na? So 1. 1 into carbon gram atomic weight 12 grams is equal to 12 grams. Next, coming to oxygen. Oxygen 3 are there. Now I am writing 3. 3 into, what is the gram atomic weight of oxygen? 16. So I am writing 16 grams. This is equal to 48 grams. 3 into 16, 48 ma. 8 plus 2, 10. 6. Sorry ma. Calcium not 20, 40. Sorry for this. Sequential number it is 20 ma. But gram atomic weight 40. Okay. And then 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10. 100 grams. So, what is the gram molecular mass of gram molecular weight of CaCO3? Gram molecular weight of CaCO3 is 100 grams. Meaning of that one, in 100 grams of CaCO3, how many CaCO3 particles are there? 6.023 into 10 power 20 particles. Okay, in this way. Next I will continue with one more example. Let us see. NaNO3, sodium nitrate. Okay, Sodium nitrate, how we are going to say? Here it contains three elements, sodium, nitrogen, oxygen. Sodium, nitrogen, oxygen. So under sodium, what is the number we have? 1. 1 into gram atomic weight of sodium, 23 grams is equal to 23 grams. Once if you check table column, it will be okay. But you have to be habituated. Okay, nitrogen. Nitrogen, what is the number we have? 1. Then it will be 1 into 14. Gram atomic weight of nitrogen 14. 1 into 14, 14 grams. Oxygen. How many are there oxygen? 3. 3 into oxygen gram atomic weight 16 grams. 16 into 3, 48 grams. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. 85 grams. So what is the gram molecular weight of NaNO3? 85 grams. 85 grams of NaNO3 contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 NaNO3 particles. Okay, ma. This is about gram molecular weight. How to find this gram molecular weight we will continue also. In next class, some more examples we will see. I hope you understood these 4 main concepts: atomic weight, gram atomic weight, molecular weight, gram molecular weight. If you are very clear with this one, in next class I will give some examples, problems also for homework. Okay, do them, and if you have any doubts, just send to me through WhatsApp. I will clarify that one and I will send to you. Okay, ma'am. Thank you all. Have a nice day.